Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the new Open Gate Quilt subscription box for March 2026. If you don't know, this is a subscription box that Monique Jacobs from Maywood Studios puts out every single month. It is $47 to join, and typically you'll get a large project, a small project, maybe an extra pattern, maybe an extra fat quarter, and always 2 spools of Aurifil thread. There is also a class that will go through the main project with you on a day of the week in March. So let's go ahead and get into this box. When we open it, there is a logo there for Open Gate Quilts, and then there's also this tissue paper. You will always have an insert here just like this that tells you the contents of your box as well as when that Zoom class is. So let's see. The class will be on March 17th at 7 p.m. CST, and she'll send a Zoom link to the class a day or two before the class actually begins. Let's see, there is a website update that she wanted you to know about. The website update is going to be this weekend, March 7th through 8th. All right, so please be patient with the upgrade, and if you're looking to subscribe to the box, please do so either before or after this weekend. Let's go over our 4 coordinating fat quarter bundle first. This is an add-on that you can add. It is $15 per month. There will be 4 coordinating fat quarters in this bundle as well as a pattern. So our first fabric is this one with these flowers. They look like zinnias to me. This one is really pretty. This definitely screams spring. And then a solid white. You can never have too much white. Okay, so apparently those are dahlias, not zinnias, because the pattern for this month is Dahlia Ansing. Dahlia Ansing. It's a 26-inch square. Here's what it looks like. Okay, really simple. Just some square blocks here. It's kind of like a medallion style quilt. We have our 2 Aurifil threads here. So this one is number 67, I believe, 22. It does actually look like an 8, like 8722, but I think it's 6722. And then we have 2420. This is a really pretty kind of like light melon color. We do have our large project here. This is the Cindy's Scrappy Runner. It is 17.5 inches by 43.5 inches. So with these projects, Monique gives you just the right amount of fabric to go ahead and complete the quilt top, and then there is actually a backing that you can purchase too. That's $14. I don't see the backing in here, so Monique did not send that to me this month, which is totally fine. Monique does send this box to me for free, so I definitely can't complain. But here is the pattern a while. This is called Cindy's Scrappy Runner, as I said. I feel like this fabric is right up my alley. These are the colors I love. This is something we can all live by right now. Kindness changes everything. I love that. For our freebie this month, we did get an extra pattern. This is Sanguine or Sanguine. I'm not really sure how to say that. Okay, it looks like it is 58.5 by 71.5 size quilt. It's really pretty, the fabrics that are in this quilt. Looks like this small project for this month is an egg basket. So let's go ahead and open this. And this actually comes at a really great time because yesterday my chickens started laying. We actually have 6 chickens, believe it or not, and we actually just ordered 3 more pullets, just kind of for food security right now. So let's see, this is what the finished pattern looks like. Oh, it looks like you can put thread in there too. Adorable fabric. Here's the little chicks. The fusible batting is also included, and the backing for that. All right, well, that is it for this month's box. I would love to know what you all think down below. I'm really happy with these fabrics. They are, like I said, they're right up my alley. I really love that large project that we got especially, and I'm really excited to make these. I will see you guys next time. I hope you have a wonderful month. Bye, everyone.